I just received this pair of Silberschnitt running pliers in the mail, and I've been wanting to try a pair for some time. So I reached out to a company called Mosaic, who were kind enough to send me this loan pair. Now, if you'd like to go to their online store and have a look, I'll put the website address at the bottom of the screen there. Now, these are supposed to be one of the best running pliers in the world to break more complex shapes in clear glass and stained glass up to 5mm. Now, what makes these really special is that they have a rotating platform on the top here, and this needs to be at 90 degrees with the score line. So every time you go around the score line, you put a bit of pressure, but this needs to be at 90 degrees, and this allows you then to break the glass. So I thought what we'll do is we'll go and put them through their pace and see how they perform. So anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, I'm going to be using my Thankyou pencil grips glass scorer, and I'm also going to be using an old carpet tile, the back of an old carpet tile, to actually break the glass on, score it and break it, because I find these carpet tiles work really well and they're so cheap. So now all I'm going to do is create the score line, and I'm going to do the inside and the outside one. And then I'll do this one as well. Okay. Now, when we're doing this, we need to make sure that when you're using your Silberschnitt, we need to make sure that this is at 90 degrees with the score line, and this piece here that's raised in here is actually at the center of the score line. So we're going to put it in, we need to turn that around. I hope you can see me on camera. And we're going to put it in here. And here. And we're going to turn that around. And go in here. Turn that a bit more. There you go, comes out beautifully. Now we'll try this outer edge one now. So I'm just going to now put that at 90 degrees. That way we'll do it. It's very hard. It's very hard looking at this and doing this on camera. And the same here. And the funny thing is, you'll hear a little click, and it's like when you're scoring glass, you hear that glass scoring sound, which I really like. A bit more. There you go. Beautiful, just comes straight out. So it's really good for more complex shapes. Now let's do something with a bit of a wave. I've got a bit of a wave here, so let's just do a bit of a wave as well. And we'll score that. Actually, I'll change that line, and I'm going to do greater waves. So I haven't followed that path that I drew with the Technicolor. I'm just created my own. There you go. There you go. So it does a really nice clean job too. I just thought I would do a more complex shape, which is one of the favourites with most people, is a heart. So I'm just going to now score it. And we'll see how the Silberschnitt running pliers work with a heart. Now I've had to take my hand off that, which is not what I like to do, but anyway. Okay, so now we'll get into it and we'll see how these perform with a heart. Let's see that line. Oh, there it is. Well, I must say, it works really quite easy with a heart, because normally in this centre here, I would have to use grazing pliers. In my personal opinion, I think that these Silberschnitt running pliers are going to be a good investment, especially if you're going to be working with a lot of stained glass. But even if you're not working with a lot of stained glass and you're wanting to break out those very difficult shapes every now and again, they're going to save you time, and they're also going to save you money on wastage costs. As you saw in that previous video with the heart, it took very little effort using these to create that shape. And I didn't even need a pair of grazing pliers. I know a heart shape can look quite simple, however there's a lot of people that have difficulty in creating a heart shape out of glass. So anyway, I hope you've taken something away from this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any comments, put them down in the bottom of the comments section, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.